And I'm going to bring my own designs to them. We've been bringing you these beautiful gift bags over and over for several years. The best part about them is that they don't tear, they don't rip. And so you use them over and over and over again. And it's the easiest way to wrap basically anything. And that's what these are so nice for. But you'll love the designs. And Tara, let's go through all the different ones that you're including.
Sure. You want to start up on the top of this top there? So here's what I love about these. We have 5 of our small. So Mary Beth has in front of her the gingerbread. They're entwined in those sea light bulbs. So all of the detail, all of the presents there, the color coordinated of that beautiful ribbon, and look at how that's all entwined. Next door to that is what we call our poinsettia. That's going to have our cardinal that you see peeking through there and all of our beautiful flower detail. And notice that we matched the green ribbon. We didn't just go with one ribbon color, which of course would have been easier. We really coordinated it to pop. Then we have Santa Claus in the middle there. He's also entwined in the C9 bulbs. Cardinals flying around. We have a classic plaid, which I love.
Which could be any occasion.
Exactly. It could even be like a birthday, anything, which I love. And then last but not least, we have a Penny, our penguin here. So when we're talking about our Fab 5, our Fab 4, I was the 5th, sorry. At least that's what Mary Beth said today. We have, of course, Penny the penguin. Then we're going to have in the middle here, we're going to have 2 of our medium size. And this is going to, actually, we have 5 of our medium size. We have 2 up top with our snowman and our plaid. And then repeating, Wimbley, our reindeer, our poinsettia, and then our beautiful silver and gold. So I love this for kind of any occasion as well.
Anniversaries.
Yes, exactly. Then we're going to have 2 of our extra large that you see here. They're our tall ones. We have our silver and gold, and we have our plaid. Then we have our big ones right here in front, our poinsettia.
Extra large.
Extra large, thank you. And then last but not least, we have what we call our jumbo. And that's gonna, again, what I love about the bags also is everything you've loved, right? They have the multiple liner right there on the inside, the beautiful bow here, and then like Mary Beth was saying, super durable. You're not gonna be able to like tear and rip these like you would regular paper. So it's amazing. 15 different bags. And then the tags, Mary Beth, look how you have the bulbs down the side there. And I have the trees down the side here. So if you're reusing them, you have extra tags and things to use.
Listen to this. It costs you $1.66 per bag. And they are reusable over and over and over again. And the best part, I'll get out of the way, these are the easiest things to wrap ever. Let's say I was buying this basketball for my grandson because he loves basketball.
I'm going to get the jumbo.
Yes.
Why not?
So
it's a little awkward, right?
How else would you wrap this?
Right. And then here's the best part. Because you have those great ribbons, you're just going to go ahead and pull them. And I always love, tying a bow in front.
Yeah, exactly.
Bear with me. Here we go. That's how easy it is. Go ahead and give it a little tie, pull it, and then you have, again, a way to kind of just pop that top up right there. And now that basketball is in a bag. I use these bags all the time. Long.
I'll tell you, and the other thing is when they come to you, you're going to be like, where am I going to put all those bags? Do you know what? It comes in a box.
Look. I brought the box out for you. We think exactly alike, by the way.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Look at this. This is the box that it comes in. And you will never imagine that this is where all your bags are. But this is all you have to store of your bags. I mean, seriously, it's the best thing ever. And you can see all the different designs. You know what I just think is that this to me is about being prepared. This is about being able to wrap when it's convenient for you. And so even as you're buying gifts, even now in Christmas in July when you're getting these great sale prices, if you've got the bags, go ahead and wrap them. And as long as you put a tag on, you know who it goes to.
Exactly. And we've included the tags. We give you 30 bags, all different sizes, right? The small, I love that for some of your toiletries, perfumes, things that you like to give. Your medium sizes, again, thinking about sweaters and clothing and things like that. Scarves, exactly. Gloves. Exactly. And then, you know, we have the large, the extra large, and then the jumbo that, of course, is giving you those different. But look at all of the patterns. That's what I love about it. That beautiful silver and gold with that beautiful coordinated ribbon. What's so nice about that?
And it's a double ribbon.
Yes, a double ribbon. And you have, again, the little hang tags that you can also include, whether you have the trees or you have the light bulbs. They're customized, they're Temp-tations, the patterns that you've been collecting and loving for years and years. And from like kind of serious and sophisticated all the way down to, of course, our whimsy.
Brand new today,
Yes.
$1.66.
Amazing. I put
per
that
bag.
doll in here, by the way.
I saw that. I'm
Yep,
going to
here's your
bring this
basketball.
up because
Yep.
then this is what I do is after the kids, they go, oh, wow. You know, they don't have to worry about tape and all that jazz.
Right.
And they're- you know, they need to get in. You actually just open it up again like this. You take out, like the kids are going to take it out.
And start
then
playing immediately.
I run over to where they just open it. I sweep this up. I fold it.
Yep,
I
and they're
put it away,
reusable,
because I'm not going to
100%. Yes.
use it again. That's the best part about it. It'll fold flat one more time, 2 more times, 4 more times, and these are brand new. $1.66 a bag.
That's incredible.
You can't hardly even go to the, you know, the dollar, you know where, and
exactly.
get these kinds of bags.
Not even
no
that,
way.
like when you go into like, you know, like the pharmacy and so you want to grab a quick bag.
Yeah,
They're a fortune.
They're $5, $6
exactly.
each.
So again, up on the top, we have 5 of the small, we have 5 of the medium, we have 2 of the large, we have 2 of the extra large, and then we have that jumbo size that Mary Beth and I were showing you. And I love that we did different patterns, different prints, and again, something for everybody. But the reusability of this is so much easier than trying to find a box, wrapping paper, tape, scissors.
Exactly.
No thanks.
So much easier.
Yes.
And I'll tell you what, people who don't like to wrap love those bags.
Of course. They're foolproof, really.
Foolproof is right. Still, it comes